So one of the biggest questions that I get asked when people ask me, Jack, how do you get six-pack abs? It's really funny for me to explain that process to them and for them to see the visible results of the abs that I've gotten from this program. And then for them to look at me and say, well, why should I believe you? You're probably genetically endowed and have those naturally. I touched a little bit on this in the last lecture, but I am not genetically predisposed to have six-pack abs. If you looked at my parents and grandparents, they're healthy people, but they're not naturally lean. They can't eat whatever they want and keep weight off. And in a lot of ways, we've had weight problems in the family, but not genetically predisposed to be lean, to have six-pack abs. I'm not like the rest of your friends out there who can eat burgers, who can eat fries, who can eat pizza and drink milkshakes and drink all through the weekend and have great-looking abs and an awesome physique. I've worked my butt off to get to where I am. So I'm just like you in that sense. I've just taken the time to meticulously study this topic, to research and test on myself to see what combination of diet and exercise works the best for getting lean, shredded abs. And I want to give you that gift as well. So I'm here to tell you that this isn't going to be easy. It's going to be difficult, especially if you're looking at losing weight right now as well, or if you've got other goals on your plate, or if you're really busy. But I'm here to tell you that you can do this. If I can do this, anybody can, and you're definitely capable of doing this. If you go look on the internet, there are hundreds of people that you can find who've been 100 pounds plus overweight and who have gotten great looking six-pack abs. And you're that next success story. So I can't wait to see and hear your progress as you go through this course. And to hear about your results at the end is just going to be stunning. I cannot wait for you to transform your life by getting the great abs that you deserve.